Hey y'all, tonight for dinner we are going to have fish fillets made in the air fryer, of course. I have my fish fillets already well seasoned and I'm going to throw them around this fish fry in the Ziploc back here. After I get them all nice and breaded and loaded in the fryer, we will come back and see how it goes. Alright guys, I have the fish coated and loaded up in the fryer and I already applied the olive oil spray. So I'm just going to pop them in. And usually I cook everything at 400 degrees, but this time I'm going to try it right here in between 320 and 400. And fish does not take that long. So we'll start with just 10 minutes. And then I will flip them midway and check and see if I need to adjust the time or the temperature. Okay? Be right back. Okay, so it looks like we're about a little over 5 minutes in. Let's check them out. I think I'm gonna let them cook for maybe 1 or 2 minutes more on this side before I flip them. Okay, coming back to flip them. All right. Let's flip them over. Okay, I got them flipped. Be sure to use a spatula because fish is a little delicate. Okay, so I'm gonna pop them back in here and we'll be right back. Okay, that's the bill, y'all. And there we have it. Need to transfer them over. Smells good, y'all. All right. Fish fillets in the air fryer. All right, so now we're gonna see. Get up on it a little bit. Pop this. You guys see that fish? It's nice and good. Still got juice on it. I don't know if y'all can hear that. There's a crunch on it too. That's good.